Good morning, everybody. Welcome to, what is it, March 8th, I think. Is it the 8th? Let me check. No, April 8th, March 8th. What the hell? Anyway, April the 8th. It is Eclipse Day. Are you excited? Me neither. Anyway, so I don't know. Maybe I'll get Angie to go out this afternoon and we'll take a motorcycle ride during the eclipse. Because, I mean, how often do you get to say I took a motorcycle ride during an eclipse? We'll see. See how we're doing today. We have a week left. So a week from today, we will be packing up these bikes and we'll be headed to Arkansas. So that means everything that we need done here needs to be done this week. So that's a lot. I better get to work. What am I doing sitting here talking to you guys? Anywho, it's time for some coffee and then a lot of work. And maybe an eclipse ride. We'll see. So we heard there's an eclipse today and we've got our special riding gear on for today. All you helmet wearers out there, are you proud of us? Look at us. Look at us. We've got protective headgear on. Yeah. Ain't no gamma rays gonna get to us. Oh, the crazy stuff we'll do. Just for some fun. All right. Bring it on. All right, guys, if you're seeing this, we have all survived the eclipse. Congratulations. Anyway, what a day. You guys saw we were out here, had our special hats on. In fact, you guys have not met Skidmark yet. So this is Skidmark, and he is the leader of the Pooh Crew. Anyway, he's got his aluminum hat on, foil hat, still on because he's afraid of the eclipse. But anyway, he'll be going all over the country with us, posing for pictures with people and monuments, and who knows what kind of trouble this dude's going to get into. But since he's the official mascot of the Wrecked Rider Fund, because when shit happens, Support Bikers is there to support you. He's the man. Anyway, speaking of travels, in a week we leave for Eureka Springs, and I thought I'd go over what's happening at Eureka Springs, at least as far as we know currently. And you know, the truth of the matter is things kind of change day to day, but these are the things that we have currently on the books. So we should be there. I think we're going to get there Wednesday night. Thursday, I think we're, weather permitting, we're going to try to get some riding in. We talked about doing the pig trail, but we've been looking at some other things that we haven't done before. So we may do those. Of course, we will map whatever rides we take out on Rever. We will also do videos on it to help introduce you guys to more of Eureka Springs. Because one of the reasons we go to Eureka Springs is it's just a really cool area. Like, you can go to Eureka Springs and you can go east, west, north, and south, and any way direction you go, there's some fantastic riding. The scenery is beautiful. The weather, well, it's the Ozarks, so you just never know what it's gonna do. From time to time, from moment to moment. But, what was it, 2 years ago? 2 years ago, it snowed on us when we were there. So you just never know. I guess that's all part of the attraction and the fun of the entire thing. So we don't know exactly what we're going to do Thursday, but we are going to do some riding. Our plan this trip is to do some more riding, is to meet up with some businesses. So, as you know, supportbikers.com is a place for people to list their biker-friendly, biker-owned businesses. And hopefully we can swing by and introduce you guys to some of those businesses. Great places that you can go patronize when you're out on those motorcycle rides, riding that beautiful area. So hopefully we can introduce you to some businesses, and we can also introduce you to some rides and just a wonderful area. All right, and then on Friday we're going to have a meetup. Our meetup is going to be from 5 to 7 at the Switchback Bar. And then everybody's going to get on their bikes and we're all going to ride to the Cat House. And we're going to go there for another meetup. And that moto meetup is brought to you by Riding in the Ozarks. Again, that's at the Cat House. A few people that are going to be there. I'm probably not going to get everybody. If I don't, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. But we know Riding the Ozark's going to be there. Firecracker on 2 wheels. I think Windroad Therapy is going to make her first appearance in Eureka Springs. That'll be awesome. Busted Knuckles is going to be there. Witchcraft Cycle Works. You know we love them. You've seen them in our videos. Jay Sorsby will be there. Bagger Baiter. And I'm sure there's going to be other ones there too, but that's just to name a few. And we'll all have our meetup at the Cat House and just hang out for the evening. Have some drinks, talk, hang out, have a great time. Jeff at the Cat House is always a very good host, takes really good care of us while we're there. So we usually end up at the Cat House like every night of Spring Fling. We spend our entire day usually at Switchback. Switchback closes. We all go to the Cat House to finish our day off. So you can probably catch us there about every night. Besides the meetup on Friday, on Saturday, Switchback Bar has a poker run. They have it every year, but this year, part of the proceeds are going to go to the Wrecked Rider Fund for Arkansas. So that's another thing that I want to tell you guys. We're going to be doing more and more events this year, more and more rides, more and more meetups. And for those, you're going to see that we ask you to register. And the reason for that is usually there's going to be some kind of fee, maybe a $5 fee, $10 fee, or just a donation to join. But we're really trying to build up that fund for wrecked riders in whatever state we're in. So all this money raised in Arkansas will go to wrecked riders in Arkansas, not the national fund. In fact, the national fund supports the states, but everything we raise in whatever state we're in will stay in that state in their fund to go back to the riders that have wrecked in that area. Of course, we have the Support a Biker, which is basically like a GoFundMe, except it's for bikers only. It's our platform, gives us a chance to vet the fundraiser, and then you know that if you see a Support a Biker, that we've already confirmed that it's legit, and you can feel safe in donating to it. So those are just a couple things that we will be doing. But on Saturday, there's a poker run at Switchback, which we have a special prize for the winner of the poker run on Switchback on Saturday. That's about all I could tell you. But it's something that I guarantee you nobody else has. Nobody else is giving away. And it'll just be cool for whoever wins the poker run that day that they can do that. Then Sunday. So Sunday, we have Sunday Fun Day. And it's a ride, usually pretty laid back. Andy from the Switchback leads it. And we get to ride some great Ozark roads. We get to go hit some great businesses around there and just kind of hang out. It's not, you don't have to be anywhere at any certain time. No cards to pull. It's just a Sunday Fun Day. And that also we're asking you to register for and donate so that we can, like I said, build that fund for the Sport Bikers Arkansas, the Wrecked Rider Fund. We really want to have the ability to help. Unfortunately, there's been a lot of accidents, at least here in Florida this year, and I have a feeling it's not going to there's not going to be less this year. It seems like every year there's more and more. So I realize that we can't do a ton, but every little bit helps. So if Support Bikers can be there to support the biker community, we will do everything in our power to make that happen. So that's kind of what's happening at Spring Fling this year. We cannot wait, and we can't wait to hang out with you guys. There's all kinds of stuff around there to see, do, very unique places to visit, and great riding. I don't know how you beat that. So come on to Spring Fling and join us, guys. It's also the weekend before my 50th birthday. So I am sure that I will be celebrating up my 50th anniversary that weekend as well. So come celebrate my birthday with me, hang out, have a drink or two, and have a great time. We will see you guys tomorrow.